If you're dealing with strict or moderate NAT issues while gaming, enabling UPnP Universal Plug and Play on your T-Mobile 5G gateway can make a big difference. UPnP automatically opens the ports your console or PC needs, which helps improve matchmaking, voice chat, and overall connection stability. This works on gateways like the Arcadian KVD21 and Nokia Fastmile. To turn it on, open a browser and go to 192.168.12.1. Then log in using admin for both the username and password. Once inside the gateway dashboard, head to Advanced Settings, find the UPnP or Port Forwarding section, and toggle UPnP to on. After enabling it, reboot the gateway so the changes apply properly. In many cases, this alone is enough to move your NAT from strict to moderate or open, resulting in smoother online gameplay. UPnP is convenient, but it does slightly reduce security since devices can open ports automatically. For that reason, it's best to use it only when needed and keep your firewall settings enabled through the T-Mobile gateway or app. Also, make sure your gateway is running the latest firmware, since updates often improve NAT handling and UPnP reliability. If UPnP doesn't fully solve the problem, manual port forwarding for specific games may still be required. Keep in mind that weak 5G signal strength or double NAT situations can also affect gaming performance, so placing your gateway where it gets the strongest signal can help lower latency and improve stability.